Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check serial number of your JBL Under Armour Flash earbuds. Okay, so first of all you have to simply grab this case, open it by using this side, and let me just zoom in to show you where you can locate this feature. Wait a minute, let me just catch focus on it. Okay, and take a look. The serial number will appear on this side. It's under this safety marking, and that's the serial number of this device. Let me just put it a little bit close to the camera. Yeah, I think that right now you can easily spot this serial number. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.